Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions regarding this watch. Today, we are discussing part of the 2025 H. Moser Cie Pop Collection, a series of 18 variants, 6 for each of 3 different model lines. So for every model of watch, 6 variants, 18 total. And so what you're looking at here is the Endeavour small second concept pop with lapis lazuli dial and lemon chrysoprase sub-seconds. This exact variant in steel with this combination of stones made in 28 pieces. A limited edition that is beautifully wearable at 38 millimeters in diameter, only 10.6 millimeters thick, 45.5 millimeters from lug to lug with a compact 18 millimeter spacing between the lugs. It's almost a traditionally sized dress watch. It's easy to wear, very comfortable, short across the wrist. I can recommend it for a wrist as small as 14, maybe even 13.5 centimeters circumference if your watch platform, the flat of the top of your wrist, is broad and flat rather than round. You can see the watch platform, the top of my wrist is flat across, so this wears really well. Again, 14, maybe 13.5 centimeters circumference. Concave bezel, super flat profile, easily sliding underneath a dress cuff. I would actually say this is a unisex option. The strap's lovely, gray, ostrich quill leather, and you can see it's got a little bit of a distressed grain to it, some bolstering or stuffing to give it volume. Gray with a monotone stitch. You can see the edge is sheer cut and then lacquered for refinement. We have a mirror of that lemon chrysoprase on the calf skin of the backside of the strap. No crimping, no gouging. Brand new H. Moser Cie factory strap, matched with a steel pin buckle, which features the Moser logo, some brushed satination, and polish. Rolling around the case, Moser cases are machined and then hand finished, both, not one, in order to create some of these nuances like the deeply dished and concave mirrored hollows at the edge of the lugs. And then we have this vertical satination along the case band as well as between the lugs. Moser branded crown. It's a press down crown. The watch is 30 meters water resistant. We have a polished concave bezel profile to visually thin the watch. And then a glorious lapis lazuli dial. You can see the metal elements within the mineral and the lovely shades of blue that define this much-loved dial stone. We also have an unusual appearance of chrysoprase. This is lemon chrysoprase right here. And so the handcraft of a lapidary, a specialist who focuses on working with stones, used to create this bicolor dial. Now, this is a concept dial. This is the Endeavour small second concept pop. So concept at Moser means no printing, no indices, no marks. It's actually easier to read than you might think. It becomes fairly intuitive after you've been around it for a few minutes. I had my concerns at first, but I don't feel that there's any comprehension issues. So the unmarked concept dial is a surprisingly obvious time teller. At center, we have leaf-style hands that are faceted down their center for better contrast. And you can see we do have a stop seconds or hacking function. Turn it all over. We have the 32 millimeter diameter HMC 202. It's based on the old 200, but the 202 is a small seconds version, and it has some of the upgrades of the 201 generation of the movement. So we have a more skeletonized rotor, skeletonized drivetrain, skeletonized winding system, nickel anthracite colored bridges, and golden gilding in the jewel sinks that resembles vintage Chaton cups. Bidirectional winding with a hybrid ceramic bearing that's steel race and ceramic balls, 3 Hz beat rate, hacking seconds, bidirectional winding via a pawl-based magic lever style winding system, 3 days of power reserve with a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance. Impressively, Moser builds these movements itself 32 millimeters in diameter, so the movement is a nice match for the size of the case. Also impressive, perhaps even more so, Moser makes the hairspring, the free sprung balance, and the full escapement, these so-called assortment components, more challenging to build than bridges, plates, and wheels, and a lot of full-fledged movement manufacturers do not make these parts. In fact, quite a few full-fledged movement manufacturers buy these parts from Moser, and it's Escapement subsidiary, Precision Engineering. So Moser making not just the movement, but the business end of the movement, the oscillator itself. Deeply impressive stuff. A sporty watch, perhaps, but not a sports watch. It's 30 meters water resistant, which means rain or splashes while perhaps washing your hands, but nothing more. A colorful watch from a colorful brand run by fun people who are easy to engage with. If you like to know the people behind your watch brand and your watchmaker, get a Moser and meet the Milan brothers. They're a lot of fun and they're easy to contact at events and on social media. That said, the watch speaks for itself. And if you're into the machines, not necessarily the men behind them, it's still an awesome pick and something unlike anything your friends will have. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details of this Schaffhausen-made German-Swiss watch.